Hello everyone and welcome back to today's more report on Monday the 11th of May with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Let's look at dollar yen now. And as per usual, I've got to go through the rigmarole of talking about dollar yen going sideways in a range, not doing anything. I'm also going to have to talk about the rigmarole of a few days up, a few days down, a few days up, a few days down, and what we've currently seen is a few days up. And with that in mind, you would argue that you're probably coming towards the end of this little uptick, and you're probably going to see a bit of a retracement once more. The interesting thing overnight is that on Friday I spoke about the fact that the 119.40 big long-term pivot level that has been so active within this range didn't really do a great deal of wasn't really a great deal of help on in the middle of last week. However, again overnight, look at that 119.43. So it is still playing a big role in this chart. It's played a pivot role once again, and what you've seen subsequently is a turn back towards the upper portions of this band. Still got on this chart this resistance around 120 figure, which actually in the last hour or so has is playing a role. So 120 figure resistance is playing a role, but that comes underneath obviously this big bearish key 1 day reversal. Sorry, bearish key 1 hour reversal, which came on the payrolls data. So that payrolls data sort of report impact on this chart continues to have a legacy, that key 1 hour reversal, and that came underneath another key 1 hour reversal, interestingly, on Tuesday last week, which came at 120.50. So these are two key resistance levels that you'd imagine, if the dollar yen gets anywhere near, potentially could once again turn around the outlook towards a more corrective one within this intraday range. Momentum indicators basically neutral. Moving averages slightly positive, trading above slightly positive moving averages gives you arguably a slightly positive bias, but again I stress the fact that you do have a tendency within the last few weeks and almost months for a few days up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, and we're currently into a third day of green candle. So arguably you're probably coming towards the end of this run higher. So just keep that all in mind. It doesn't look on this daily chart that you're getting any real positive skew on the momentum indicators, and you're subsequently very neutral in the outlook. So I think that's going to continue, and I don't really see much changing that anytime soon. So I wish you good luck in your trading on dollar yen. Not too much to talk about as per usual. So I'll speak to you later. Thank you.